Hey everyone! Tonight we're heading into the darker side of London to the infamous Fleet Street, the home of the demon barber himself, Sweeney Todd. We are mixing up the Fleet Street Martini from Zach Neal's wonderful book, The Nightmare Before Dinner. It's spicy, daring and a little bit wicked, featuring Fireball Cinnamon Whisky. So sharpen your blades, your cocktail skills, and let's get cracking. What we'll need for tonight's cocktail is Fireball Cinnamon Whisky, sour apple pucker, cranberry juice, ice, cocktail shaker, martini glass. Let's get started. Okay, firstly we'll put some ice into our shaker. And then we need 45 mils or 1.5 ounces of Fireball Cinnamon Whisky. And we need 1 ounce of sour apple pucker. And we need 45 mils or 1.5 ounces of cranberry juice. This is actually cranberry juice drink, just because if you're going to use pure cranberry juice, you will need to add some sugar syrup. So this is the right amount of sweetness, I think, for this drink. There we go. And that is all the ingredients we need. So let's get shaking and see how we go. It's getting so close to Halloween. This is a perfect drink to enjoy. That should do it. Move that glass over here. Time to pour. Okay, and now what I've got for a garnish is a blood orange dehydrated slice. So I'll just put that on the top and that is perfect. Just need a coaster. And the Fleet Street Martini. Isn't that gorgeous? The colour is beautiful. It's not quite the colour of blood, but it's a very eerie red colour. So let's give this a taste. Very nice. Oh, you can taste the spiciness from the Fireball. Thanks for joining me this week for making the Fleet Street Martini. I hope you have a sensational and maybe a little bit scary weekend, and I look forward to seeing you next week for another cocktail.